What's going on, everyone? So happy Sunday. We're going to take a little look at DraftKings. So DraftKings, not a bad week last week. We did close up 6.5% on DraftKings. We closed at $20.64. We were up just about $1.25 on the stock. So with that being said here, I'm kind of looking at some supply and some demand, kind of checking out, where are the sellers sitting at? Where are the buyers comfortable stepping in at? So we know that DraftKings has been on this sloping downward spiral, for months and months and months now. With that being said, could we be seeing a little bit of a bottom here on DraftKings? It's entirely possible that a short-term bottom is in on the markets in general. Now, I'm not saying that the markets are coming all the way back up to all-time highs, but what I am saying is maybe we do get a little bit of a breather. Maybe we do get a little bit of a continuation with these bounces, and we kind of find and make another higher a little bit of a higher high here and set in a little bit of a higher low. So that's kind of like what we did on DraftKings this week. What I have absolute demand zone down there around that $17 area. You can see this green box here. This is going to signify for me where buyers are absolutely comfortable stepping in for the short time, right? Because anything can change. One shift in the markets, we could have a big sell-off day. We could lose this zone, and this would become now invalidated and would turn into a level of supply that would act as a level of resistance going farther. But for the short term, let's say, for example, you're holding calls, or maybe you've got, maybe you loaded up down here somewhere between $17 and $18, looking for the kind of like that dead cat bounce, looking for a little bit of rally. As long as we hold over 1740, we do have room up into the next supply. Next supply is going to be anywhere between $22 and $23. That's going to be the next area for DraftKings to kind of want to reconfirm. We're going to need a break out of that level, and we're going to need a hold. So what we're going to kind of want to see here, if we do go back to Friday, we've got a little bit of resistance here on Friday, right around that $20.91 area. You can see in the after hours session, we did try to push up just a little bit into that area. So here's what I'm going to be cautious about. Here's what I'm going to be looking at DraftKings this coming week. If we do clear out this Friday's resistance here, what I'm looking for is that initial push higher, and wherever we stop on an hourly time frame, that candle, that first high above that $21 area, what I want to see is a back test. I do want to see some sort of pullback. Where do we pull back? And if we can pull back and kind of hold this area as a short-term support, maybe this can turn into a new area of demand. We can see here going back to Wednesday, also acted as a little area of resistance, as well as last Friday. Previously, this kind of zone was acting as support until we broke down and lost that. And once we lost this area, we came all the way down here to the demand zone. So with that being said, that's why I'm watching this area come into play again, right around that $21 area. So if DraftKings does push higher, right, going into Monday, Tuesday, if we can push out of this range and then back test before hitting supply, I'd be comfortable going long here and kind of using $20, $21 as my absolute stop. As long as we're holding this level, I'm interested in a play going higher into that $22, $23 area. Now, if you kind of want to wait for a little bit more validation, you want to wait for a little bit of confirmation, because technically speaking, this price action, even though we did have a good bounce, is in between demand and it is in between supply. So supply and demand, you can think of it like this. This is your ceiling. This is your short-term floor. This is resistance, right? And this is support, okay? So with that being said, we're in the middle of resistance. We're in the middle of support. We can completely come here, lose this zone, and come back to the demand zone. Now, if you're looking to play puts, maybe you're looking to hedge your position, something along those lines. If we do break over $21, come back into 22, you see us chop around, and we can never really set a new high over $23, okay? And we kind of come in here and chop around and start coming back down, and we lose this $20.91. You can go ahead and take a short position here. You're going to cover that short position as soon as we get back up over 21, okay? So that's how you're going to play that. As long as we lose 21, you're going to be comfortable holding down here into 19, 20, $18 area. And obviously anything in the 17s we're going to want to cover, just due to the fact that we know that when we did come down here last time, we got this nice solid bounce here. So if we talk about it from the long position, what we want to see here is we do want to see a break of $21. We do want to see a back test. We want to see some sort of consolidation, and then we want to see that next leg higher. We want to get back over $23. If DraftKings can get over $23, that next pullback is going to be into this level of supply, and we need to hold this level. Now, if the market just goes on maybe a 1 or 2 day bounce and the levels aren't really going to hold and we are going to put another leg down, what you're going to see is a fake out. So that fake out is going to clear out this level of supply. Maybe it tries to consolidate, comes back into the zone, tries to push higher, and however can never remake a new high. So it would, if we put in a new high, $24, $25, and then we come back into supply, sort of chop around 23, 24, and then start to lose this level, then we can short, okay? We can take a short position below $22. And our profit target on our short position is going to be 21, 20, 18, and $17. That's how you're going to kind of play it. So let's hope that maybe we found a little short-term bottom here. There is a little potential scalp play here from 21 to 22. Definitely a point move there that you can take advantage of. And also there's definitely a short position here. If we do pop over 21 and lose the $21 area, we know that we potentially have room down to $19, $18. Definitely cover your shorts if we do get back above 21, but that's an easy way how to play DraftKings this week. I hope this video helped, and I will see you guys all in the next video. If you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Feel free to join. I also do have a gold member section where I do one-on-one coaching. I do live chat, trade analysis. I kind of throw these levels out intraday on the things that I'm trading. You can find that on my website, evolutiontraders.com. Also, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all in the next video.